has been a big face-off that has now erupted between the BJP and the JMM Congress, and also when it comes to the government there in Jharkhand over certain raids by the police that has taken place at the guest house in Ranchi, where Union Home Minister Amit Shah was staying on the night of 11th of November. Taking potshot at the JMM Congress government, the Assam Chief Minister Hemant Soren has now, Himanta Biswa Sarma, I beg your pardon, has now said and taken on the Hemant Soren government, saying that the police raided the Sarla Bilra School guest house without any concrete reason, which clearly shows the growing impatience of the ruling government. In fact, when it comes to the BJP, they have also approached the Election Commission over these raids, and it has also given a memorandum and has expressed its apprehensions as to how there could be raids conducted in an educational institution. Let's in the meantime also focus on how the Assam Chief Minister has been reacting, as he is calling it as a desperate bid in a way to even use or misuse rather when it comes to the Jharkhand police in a way to carry out such raids in the same place where Union Home Minister Amit Shah was saying during his election campaigning. And this is how Himanta Biswa Sarma has been reacting. In the meantime, let's quickly go across to Pragya now for a quick update, because Pragya, we're also putting out what Himanta Biswa Sarma has to say. But what exactly were these raids about? Why was it carried out, and at the very same guest house where the Union Home Minister was staying?
Well, the reasons for these raids have not been given out, and this is specifically why Mr. Himanta Biswa Sarma has taken to social media saying that there is no concrete reason for these raids. Remember, these raids are on educational institutions, and BJP had also given a memorandum to Election Commission few days back saying that there could be raids on educational institutions. And, the parents are in shock, the children are also in shock, they don't understand why these raids are for. And obviously, there is also an apprehension about all these educational institutions being raided. In fact, BJP had feared that this would happen, and this is why they had approached Election Commission and asked to know why these raids are happening, and they have also alerted the Election Commission and also accused the administration of playing into the hands of a political party, which is JMM right now. So BJP is also alleging that the state police, state administration is being misused by JMM to target the opposition political party, especially at a time when there are elections going on. And this is also a pressure tactic by them. But BJP said that they are not going to bow down or cow down by these, attempts by the administration to put pressure on various institutions that are seen to be, facilitating the political leaders belonging to the opposition parties. Remember, this is the state guest house where Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah stayed on November 11th, and it is after his stay that this particular educational institution has been targeted. And this is the reason particularly why BJP is saying that it seems like there are people who had taken sides despite belonging to a law enforcement agencies, which is not a good sign. And also a cautionary word has been also spoken by Mr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, saying that you need to be acting as per law.
Right, but exactly when it comes to Pragya, this matter that has now been taken up with the Election Commission, what is the BJP now seeking from the Election Commission to act?
Well, basically, what BJP is doing is it is putting on record what is happening in the state, and it is for the Election Commission to take action. What they can do is approach Election Commission to ensure there is a free and fair election. And this is exactly why they had given this memorandum to Election Commission. But it all comes down to Election Commission and the steps that it could take. It can also transfer few officers against whom the complaint has been given, or it can warn.
Let me get in a political voice on this. Tanuj Khatri is with us on the broadcast. Mr. Khatri, what do you make of what the BJP has been citing as raids by the Jharkhand police in the guest house where the Union Home Minister Amit Shah was staying on the night of 11th of November? They have been questioning these raids.
देखिए, पुलिस को जो सूचनाएं मिलती हैं उसके आधार पर पुलिस अपनी कार्रवाई करती है, और अभी आदर्श आचार संहिता मॉडल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट लागू है, राज्य में चुनाव हो रहे हैं। अब वो किसी का स्कूल है कि उसका पर्सनल गेस्ट हाउस है या भारतीय जनता पार्टी का वो अड्डा है, ये तो पूरे राज्य की जनता जानती है। अब पुलिस की अपना इंटेलिजेंस होता है, वो सूचनाएं होती हैं, और ये जग जाहिर है कि वो शिक्षण संस्थान कम, भारतीय जनता पार्टी का गेस्ट हाउस ज्यादा है।
तो सवाल उसी पे उठाया जा रहा है टाइमिंग को लेकर के, जब वहां पर होम मिनिस्टर ठहरे हुए थे इलेक्शन कैंपेनिंग के वक्त, उसके बाद ही तुरंत क्यों पुलिस एक्शन में आती है?
नहीं, होम मिनिस्टर वो तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी का पॉलिटिकल अड्डा है। स्कूल का तो सिर्फ नाम दिया गया है उसको, उसमें तो कोई भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी से जुड़ा व्यक्ति आता है वहीं रुकता है। तो इससे क्या मतलब है? इससे यही मतलब है कि आप शिक्षण संस्थान के नाम पर अपना पर्सनल पार्टी का गेस्ट हाउस बना के रखा है आपने। पुलिस अपना काम करती है
जी, क्योंकि अभी हम फॉर्मल एक तरीके से जो पुलिस की तरफ से भी जो बयान है अगर आता है तो उसका इंतजार अभी कर रहे हैं, लेकिन बीजेपी ने ये मुद्दा उठाकर अभी इलेक्शन कमीशन को अप्रोच कर लिया है। धन्यवाद आपका तनुज खत्री जी हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। टू यू प्रज्ञा एज वेल, वील गेट मोर रिएक्शंस ऑन दिस।